Meaning of gasholder.
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 Gasholder. A gasholder is a large container designed to store and regulate the pressure of natural gas or other gases produced by industrial processes. These structures are typically cylindrical in shape with a fixed top and bottom, and a flexible membrane that expands and contracts as gas is pumped in or out. The flexible membrane allows for the safe storage of gas at varying pressures, ensuring a reliable supply of energy for residential and commercial use. Gasholders play an important role in the energy infrastructure of many urban areas around the world, facilitating the safe storage and distribution of natural gas to millions of homes and businesses.